Here's a pair of the JLab Go Air Pop earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect to a iPhone via Bluetooth. This iPhone is an iPhone 15 Pro. So first thing we want to do is put this in the pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take your earbuds out. And then you'll know that it's in pairing mode if just one of these is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, okay? So give it a few seconds, okay. So I'm not getting no blue, white, or any lights on here. It's because I'm connected to my other phone here, okay? So let me go into I'm connected to my other iPhone here. Let me just go ahead and turn Bluetooth off. As soon as I turn Bluetooth off, now one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. So now it's in pairing mode. Now let's go back to this iPhone here. Let's go to settings. And then from settings, we're going to go to Bluetooth here, Bluetooth. And then that little spinny thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode, okay? These are in pairing mode. Only one of them is blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white. There it is right there. Let's tap on that. Voila, we are connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.